In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix DocuSign Error 404 quickly and easily. If you've clicked on a DocuSign link and suddenly see a 404 error page, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, it's simple to fix. I'll walk you through the exact steps you should follow to get back into your document without any confusion. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important fixes. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is check the link itself. A DocuSign 404 error usually happens because the link is broken, expired, or no longer active. Instead of repeatedly clicking the same link, open your browser and go directly to the DocuSign dashboard by visiting apps.docusign.com and logging into your account. Once you're inside your DocuSign dashboard, use the search bar to search for the envelope by name. If you know the document title, type it in exactly as it was sent. When the envelope appears in your results, click on it and try opening it directly from the dashboard. In many cases, this immediately fixes the problem because you're bypassing the broken or outdated link. If that doesn't work, the next step is to check whether the envelope has already been completed or voided. Inside your DocuSign dashboard, look at the status of the envelope. If it says completed, that means all parties have already signed the document, and the original signing link may no longer be active. If it says voided, the sender has canceled the document, which will also cause a 404 error if you try to access it. In either of these cases, the link itself isn't technically broken, it's just no longer valid because the document's status has changed. Understanding the envelope status is key to figuring out why you're seeing that error message. Next, make sure you're using the correct DocuSign account. This is especially important if you have multiple email addresses or if you use both a personal and a work account. A 404 error can appear if you're logged into a different account than the one the envelope was sent to. To check this, look at the email address shown in the top corner of your DocuSign dashboard. If it doesn't match the email that received the document, log out and sign in with the correct account. Once you're logged into the right account, search for the envelope again and try opening it from there. If you're still having trouble, the next simple fix is to log out of DocuSign completely and then log back in. Sometimes session issues or cached data in your browser can interfere with document access. Logging out refreshes your session and often clears temporary glitches. After logging back in, navigate to your dashboard, search for the envelope again, and try opening it. You can also try using an incognito window or a different browser if the issue persists. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, ask the sender to resend the link. The original signing link may have expired, especially if it was sent a while ago. Contact the sender and request that they resend the envelope. When they resend it, you'll receive a brand new active link, which should work without showing the 404 error. This is often the fastest solution if the link is timed out. So to quickly recap, first, log into the DocuSign dashboard directly and search for the envelope. Second, check whether the envelope is completed or voided. Third, confirm you're using the correct account. Fourth, log out and log back in to refresh your session. And fifth, ask the sender to resend the link if necessary. Following these steps will resolve most DocuSign Error 404 problems in just a few minutes. I hope this helped you fix your DocuSign issue quickly. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.